Amazingly, the first day went far better than I expected. As you can see, 5 people added products to their baskets, and 5 of them proceeded to the checkout. This is because Facebook does not always track all of the data. The nicest thing is that we made one transaction on the first day of testing. Hello and welcome back to my channel, Making Money Both Online and Offline. I'm thrilled to have you here again. Today, we'll look at how to make money by building a business using ChatGPT in 48 hours. So grab your favorite snack and let's get started. I've challenged myself to utilize ChatGPT to construct a full online business and then test the strength of AI by running paid advertisements to see if an AI-created product will succeed or not. I was fairly pleased with the outcome, so keep an eye on things as they go. I demonstrated how to create digital items with ChatGPT, and then I created this printed calendar as an example. Today, however, is different since I've chosen to develop a whole company on the concept. Here's the plan. First, we'll improve the product to make it more unique and valuable. The final step will be launching paid ads to attract potential customers. Therefore, I came up with the idea of creating an ebook about habits and selling it with the printable planner. This is the perfect way to add value to any product and make it more interesting. After that, we must present the final product in the best way possible by creating a high-converting online store. As a result, I began by asking the chatbot for the outline structure of the book. It created all chapters immediately, each with 3 sections, and I just copied and pasted the first chapter into the conversation to create the content. Following that, all I did was copy and paste until I finished all sections, at which time I remembered we hadn't given the ebook a name. Do you believe I paid someone $1,000 to offer me 5 options?
Oh, hell no!
Well, of course not. Instead, I requested a chatbot for 10 possibilities and was given 4 weeks to pick the one that best suited me, which I did. Next, I requested a tagline for the book's front cover. I had finished the material and went to Canva to design the book cover. Here's what I came up with: a basic design with only 3 elements: the slogan, the book title, and an artwork depicting the content. A tagline's objective is to entice readers to read this book. It again presented me with 10 alternatives, and this time I picked Awaken Your Potential as the slogan. On the second page, I provide a brief synopsis of the book and its contents. This was also created with ChatGPT. After that, I created a table of contents that included all of the chapters and parts. Then I started copying and pasting portions from chat rooms into Canva. It took me only 15 minutes to finish all of the parts and have my ebook ready. Despite the fact that we just have basic templates, the design style and presentation of these templates have increased the product's worth. This design approach has shown to be effective and is always utilized to promote high-ticket items and courses. Now that we have everything set, we can start building the web store. This product picture was made with Photoshop and Canva Magic. So I did some research and discovered that a landing page would be the best way to sell these kinds of products. This means that you don't need a website with many pages. All you need is a simple page with the necessary elements. I finished the structure of the page in Google Docs and went to Shopify to design the landing page. This is how the landing page looked. As you can see, it's not overly fancy or sophisticated. But despite its simplicity, it incorporates all of the features that will help you convert visitors into buyers. A large headline at the top of the page draws attention and highlights the major aspects of the product. After that, we produce a product graphic that incorporates the name, price, and extra features. Lastly, a testimonial is included to provide social evidence. This part is critical since it seeks to make potential clients feel welcome. The first stage is to identify some of your clients' issues and then position your product as the ultimate answer to all of them. The second testimony adds to the social proof. Following that, I introduce the templates one at a time, each with a title and a brief description. Lastly, the FAQ section includes product-specific information. At the bottom, we have a testimonial and the same section as at the top of the page. Of course, you may be more creative and include more elements, but this is about all you need to begin testing the product. At this time, I had finished developing the landing page and was ready to generating traffic. So I chose to test the product by running advertisements on Facebook and Instagram. Even so, we must first create the ad creatives, which comprise both the photos and the ad language. To determine what works best, I always start with the 2 to 3 different photos and copies. So I went to Canva and created 2 new images. I want to keep things simple by just using the templates and putting a title on top. I've tried this method previously and it works well with these items. The ad wording was simply a copy and paste of some text from the landing page with some spaces and emojis added. I want to run the commercials for 2 days, which I feel will be enough time to determine whether the product is excellent or poor. As a consequence, I built a sales campaign with 9 separate ad sets targeting persons interested in self development, with 2 different commercials in each ad set. We can now go to Facebook and begin the campaign now that we have the ad assets ready. I wanted to visit the top 5 countries: the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. I established a budget of €7 for each ad set, which means we'll spend about €63 every day. I went to bed at midnight after launching the commercials. Amazingly, the first day went far better than I expected. As you can see, 5 people added products to their baskets, and 5 of them proceeded to the checkout. This is because Facebook does not always track all of the data. The nicest thing is that we made 1 transaction on the first day of testing, which is unusual. Even so, I feel we did a terrific job with the landing page and creatives. Everything is visible on Shopify. 5 items added to the basket, 5 completed checkouts, and 1 transaction. Despite the fact that it is not something unbelievable, I will also refer to refreshing the website. I let the adverts run for another day since I was thrilled about the AI created product that day. This time, 3 consumers added things to their basket, 3 completed the checkout process, and 1 transaction took place. Here is the Shopify dashboard once more. We were able to get 200 individuals to click on the advertising, visit the website, add 8 products to their carts, complete 8 transactions, and make 2 purchases, 1 from the United States and 1 from New Zealand, in 2 days. But we didn't make any money. This is typical and should be expected when you first begin evaluating a product. Will I now see this challenge as a failure? No way, because the advertising will start collecting more data and the outcomes will improve with time. With a few changes to the website and advertisements, we might be able to make this business viable. But it's unusual that a store would start generating money in its first week of testing. If you want me to continue this topic, please let me know in the comments. If you want to watch all of my future videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you at the next one.